Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute ice cream bowl. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing a half circle. This will be the top of our ice cream bowl. Great job! Now, let's draw a handle and a stand at the bottom to complete our ice cream cup. Our ice cream cup is ready. Now, let's draw 3 ice cream scoops on top of the cup. Yum! Let's add 2 roll bars on top of the scoops for some extra fun. Now, let's decorate the scoops with tiny circles to make them look even more delicious.
Awesome!
Finally, let's give our ice cream cup some personality by drawing cute eyes and a smiley mouth. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our ice cream is ready to enjoy. Now it's time to color. We will use rainbow colors to color our ice cream. Let's start with red color. Next, orange color. Now, yellow color. Let's add some green color. How about some blue color? And now, purple color. Let's use pink color. finally, some pink color. Wow! Our ice cream bowl looks delicious and colorful. Nice job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored ice cream bowl. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.